Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you how to disable USB port in your Windows PC so that no one can steal data out. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So before proceeding, let me insert my USB pen drive and let me show you. So I've inserted my USB pen drive, so I will show you by going to this PC. So you can see here my USB pen drive is being showing right now. So how I will disable this USB pen drive so that no one can copy my data from my computer. So let's begin. So I will be opening my USB pen drive right now and we'll begin the process. So what you need to do, firstly you need to press Win plus R to open the run command, as you can see here. Now you need to type a word reset, and once you have typed, you can click OK or you can hit enter on your keyboard. Now click yes. Now you can see the registry editor page. So what you need to do here, you can see here H key local machine. Just select this and click on this arrow. Now next step, you need to click on the system. You can see this and click on the arrow. And the next step you need to do is current control set. As you can see, select it and click on the arrow. And next step you need to click and select service and click on this arrow again. Now scroll down below till you get the word USB store. As you can see this one, just click on it. Now you can see here on the right side of the window, you can see here a start written. This one, just select it and double left click to open its window. So here you can see the value data is 3. Just change it to 4 and click OK. Now close this registry editor window, and now we'll insert our USB pen drive again and we'll see whether the USB pen drive is detected or not, or whether it's showing in this PC or not. So I'll be inserting my USB pen drive right now. As you can see here, a message: this device has been loaded. So we'll go in this PC and check whether this USB pen drive is showing or not. So you can see here there is no USB pen drive is being displayed. So let me change the port, whether in other ports also whether it's working or not. So I'm inserting in other port. So I have inserted in other port, as you can see in the below notifications. So we'll open this PC again. So it's totally disabled and your USB pen drive is not showing in this PC. So in this way you can disable USB ports completely in your Windows computer or your Windows laptops. So if you want to enable it again, then what you need to do, firstly you remove your USB pen drive and we'll proceed the process again. Just press the Win and R button, type the resetted word which I have typed in earlier, as you can see here, reset it, and select OK. Click yes and go back to the same process which I have shown you earlier. So it's directly displaying the final step. So you can see here the start, just double left click it and change the value to 3 and click OK. Once done, close this registry editor window and now insert back your USB pen drive to check whether now this PC is showing or displaying your USB pen drive or not. So I'm inserting right now my USB pen drive. So I have inserted my USB pen drive again in my Windows computer. So we'll go back to this PC and we'll check out. See, now it's being displayed here. So in this way you can totally disable or enable USB ports in your Windows PC. So I'm sure it is very cool tips to get rid of those people who are going to steal your data from your Windows computer, or you are scared of if someone steal your data, then you can do these tricks and stay safe from anyone who is going to steal your data. So in my opinion, if you like this video, then please do share with your friends and relatives. I'm sure they will gonna like it. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.